the new local lead generation template that I created. Get the link. I'm going to pop it up here. You can see how it functions. I'm going to give it the, let's clear out any previous chats that I had. I'm still getting it anyways, that's okay. So basically it'll come along and it'll start collecting all the information. Yeah, so I don't know, what neighborhood is it in? Um, I'll do this. So basically it's set up that only if I had put Grimsby Beach would it accept it to book a roof blow off. See, we're sorry for this. Yes, please. So it's got my information, right? Boom. And I'm now on the messenger list. So let's go back and have a look here into the inbox. There's my email, my phone, what time I got through, what my address is, what my hood is, and yes, that I'm on the newsletter now. So you can see where it picked up. Perfect. They ran it, and even better, for the flow. This also works on Facebook. But the really cool part is no matter what, it's going to go into the Google Sheet. So you will have two sheets. Boom. And then again, like I said, there's also my Facebook public comment.